So here's how you can get visuals from your text instantly. There are so many infographics options that you're provided with that you can choose from. This happens instantly and it's completely free of cost. So here's how it works. You start by pasting your text into the Napkin editor. You can also generate it using Napkin's AI generator, which we'll come to it in a minute. Second step is click on the lightning bolt icon to generate visuals. As you can see here, there is this particular text here. We select the text and click on the bolt icon, and it instantly generates tons of infographics with different creativity, like it's completely different from each other to choose from. Step 3 is you can polish it up. You can change the icons. As you can see here, he's clicking fist bump and it changes the icon immediately. The second is decorators, as in make it more visually appealing by changing the shape of the box or how it looks. Third is connectors, like as in arrows, you can instantly add arrows between text boxes. The fourth is colors, you can change the colors between two boxes, and there's plenty of options for that as well. And fifth is changing the fonts. Once you're done with all this, step 4 is take it anywhere, which is pretty much you can just select the whole infographic and copy it to your clipboard to paste it on any text tool. Or you can even get it downloaded as images or PDF or just as a URL link that you could share it with your team members or anywhere that you need to present your data or report. Now let's take a quick look and actually see the tool. I'm clicking on get napkin free. Now I've already signed up inside. All you need to do is just sign up through your Google account. It's completely free. And as you can see here, I have a 6 steps of AI evolution. So I just want to make it into a infographic. So I select the first text. I can select the whole text as well, but I'm selecting the first one right now. And I clicked on the lightning bolt sign. It is working its magic, and there we go. We immediately get bunch of different infographics that we could choose from. So yeah, like this one, I can even change the color. Like you can see here, I click this one and instantly it goes, it takes a right swipe, and there are color variations that you could choose from. Like I say, for example, I like the purple one, so I select the purple one, and I see that this is great. I love this. Maybe instead of text processing, I just need text, so I can edit that quickly. And let's say, for example, here I don't like this icon in particular, so all I can do is just select here and get options for different icons. So I like this icon better, and here we see the thickness. We also get to change the shape as well. So the next thing we can look at is these 4 options. So the first option is called Spark Search. And when I click on it, it opens up this dialog box where I can say, for example, I want a cat infographic, and I type it, and here we go. We got a cat infographic. Let's say I want to replace this with this. It was as simple as that. So that is the option for Spark Search. You can pretty much type anything. You can say, for example, let's just say dog. You can get a dog poodle, dog Dalmatian, disabled pet, so many other things. And you can press escape to cancel. Another thing is label, as in like if you want to label a particular thing, like for example here I want to label this, so I can type it anywhere, like say for example this is memory, something like that. So that is the option for label. The third is sketch, where you can just pretty much connect two things. So you can see how it got connected. It automatically self corrects itself, so that is pretty interesting feature. The final fourth option is image, where you can upload an image from your computer or drag and drop images from anywhere, or even copy and paste images. So this is a great feature. So these are the 4 options. Other than that, if you open a new napkin, there are 2 options for you: draft with AI, blank napkin. The one that we were using at this moment is blank napkin. So I'm going to click on draft with AI, and let's say you can write pretty much like ChatGPT, write any prompt and get your text generated. So let's pick one from here. Let's say the best practices for a hiring interview, and I click continue. So it would generate the text for me, and that is pretty amazing. Although I wouldn't personally use it because I rely on ChatGPT or Perplexity for text generation, but it's a nice feature to have as in, and I think it would keep on improving as well. So let's say for the first point I need to prepare an infographic for that, which I don't think is essential, but it still does a pretty wonderful job of doing that in order to make your whatever presentation or report more visually interesting. So this is a great tool that I want you guys to use. I shared it with many agency founders and entrepreneurs, and they all absolutely loved it. And I think even if it was a paid tool, I think it would be worth the price. Speaking of which, if we could just look at the pricing real quick, let me just go back to the original napkin page. So here's the napkin page, and if you look at the pricing, so the starter plan, professional plan, and enterprise plan. So the starter plan is where, it's just for the small teams and individuals. It is always free, which is great. And the professional plan, which has some extra additional features, like you can create unlimited napkins, that has $0 at the moment. As I said, it's free during beta. And yeah, let me know what you guys think.